Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to film Walter preparing his meatloaf. Okay, it's his show today.
Hello, YouTube. I'm about to make some comfort food. Meatloaf. I've got the ingredients and the things that
Keep talking.
I'm going to put in this food.
Okay. So are you ready?
Yeah.
So I'll lower this.
This is Worcestershire sauce.
Okay, it's not on your face now.
Let
It's
me see
on.
who that. It might be important. The phone is ringing here.
They hear the phone. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, I got Worcestershire sauce.
Hello.
I put it on there generously.
Hello. I need you now.
There we go. Meat tenderizer, seasoned.
That's what I was doing.
Put it on generously as well.
No, they mad. They do good as you do.
Chili powder. I gotta give it that little spice that makes it so nice. Oh yes. I put that on there generously.
Okay, you can't put your arm in front of what you're doing.
Onion powder.
Okay, angled it a different way.
And a lot of little spices here.
All right.
And then there's garlic powder. Gotta have my garlic. Keep the vampires away. Okay. And of course, black pepper. Oh yeah, black pepper.
I want him to make the wing pop.
Put it generously on here as well.
You know what that means.
Like my black pepper.
No, pop. I want my wing to pop.
Do a little things a little differently. Oh yes. I got a couple of eggs, which I have kind of broken down. I'm gonna lay this on here. Usually you can use one egg or two. I've got two here. Ooh, about to make a mess. Ooh boy. Ooh boy. Oh yeah, I'm making a mess here. This here little something here I just started doing. This is a honey barbecue sauce. Just to give it a little twang. And instead of breading, I'll use flour. That binds the meat together. Now, put all this here together. I'm gonna mix it and make it just right so that it binds well and the spices are thoroughly mixed in. Yes, indeed. This is how I do my meatloaf.
I'm gonna look at it again.
I'm gonna put a little more flour in here.
Yeah, like you had it. Well, let me see. Well, which one is it?
So it binds well.
I like the way you had it. The wingtip was angled down. Yeah. His was upside down. Uh-huh.
Take the flour on here.
It's the same way.
I don't make meatloaf too often. It's just so doggone messy. You gotta mix it up well.
Okay, he's the one that did the musical note, right?
And what I also do, so to cook faster,
I like the way that pop.
I make individual loaves.
That's what I want my wings to be. Whoever he can get to do that, that's what I want. So I like that.
This will be loaf number 1. And this will be loaf number 2 here. And not the other number 2.
That's about it. I want the wings to pop. And I want the little smaller.
Oh, I got to get some of this egg up. Something little had a little spill here. Some of the egg kind of went over a plate and got on this work counter. So I got to clean that up good. Okay. Now what I do, I put a little more Worcestershire sauce on each side. I go back with the meat tenderizer. Onion powder. Chili powder.
I don't want no curly cube letters or nothing like that. I just want something very
Garlic.
and attractive. I don't want nothing to detract from the wing.
And the black pepper. Now I do the front and the back of these loaves. And I'm going to get that front there once I fix this up. Now I go back over. Worcestershire sauce. Meat tenderizer. I like it thoroughly seasoned. And the spices will be just right.
I don't care what you do, just as long as it can go with
Onion powder again.
I want the wing to really stand out. That's the main thing.
Now that's the front side. Now, turn it over. And to thoroughly get through all the meat, I put a little more topping. Worcestershire sauce. Meat tenderizer. Black pepper. Put it on generously. Garlic powder.
I like the background color.
Onion powder.
It looks like here my wing is fading into it. Some kind of, I don't know why.
And the chili powder.
Like the wing is fading into the colors he used. You know, he basically used the colors you use, but it looks different.
Now these are the ingredients which I use for my meatloaf. I'm not going to cook it now, but when I do cook it, I put it on 350 degrees. Make sure it cooks thoroughly. And then I put my either tomato paste or tomato sauce. And once this is fixed and ready, it'll be mouth-watering, delicious, tender, and just about melts in your mouth. Well, that is my, as I say, I stick to your ribs, comfort food for this Thursday. I hope you enjoyed the video.
Let me see.
You can try this yourself at home, and you won't go wrong. You will love it. Thanks for watching it.
And he made his.
Thanks for listening. And enjoy your day.
I wanted to cover up the front of the shirt.
Bye now.
See, that's too little. Okay, thanks for watching, you all. Thumbs up and subscribe. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye.